I'm here, the anchor is to the easiest reach. Now my arm reaches here, the next anchor, so to me it's the best moment to do it. I have, you see, both my hands are off, my legs are in a very, very solid position, and now I make the transition. And this is what I talk about, making the anchor point transition the soonest possible. That is when I can reach with my arm the anchor, the next anchor point, and of course when I'm making it, I'm in a very good solid resting position. So yes, I will continue. I cannot with the selfie stick on. Let's see. I'm now practically trying to rock climb the second hardest Via Ferrata of Slovenia. Imagine this. It is my second climb of a day of this Via Ferrata. First time I had no clue what to expect, but now I know. So here I am climbing it, rock climbing it. So now here I'm confident I have to transition on the other side. So let me do it. I'm pushing a bit the boundaries here by holding the selfie stick in my hand. I should not do it because it can be cause for hazard. So let me take it off.